Hello friends, welcome to TaxProm. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic about credit card. This video I already shared in Tamil, so those who already watched in Tamil, you can skip it. Recently I got a call from a person, he was very panicked. So he said that he got a notice from income tax department. Then I asked why, okay, what is the issue? So he said that there is a credit card usage of around 7 to 8 lakhs in his account. So he is having multiple credit cards, so he has used around 7 to 8 lakhs. There is something called SFT, Specified Financial Transaction. So from 2020, if you do any credit card transaction more than 2 lakhs but if you not filed income tax return, so automatically the income tax department will send the notice. So you need to file a response. So you used this much, but why you not filed income tax return? So that's okay. That's a common normal thing will come. Then I asked him, so what is your salary? So he said that I'm a basic IT guy. I'm a small employee. I'm getting around some 15,000 per month. Then I got surprised. Okay, so his salary is 15,000. So obviously it's 1.8 lakhs per annum. So how come he got a credit card usage of 7 to 8 lakhs? Then he told me that he is having around 5 to 6 credit cards and his friends will be using his cards. So whenever they need funds, they will be using this card and rotating the money. So some of their funds also use like more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh and they convert it into EMI. Whenever the due date comes, they will pay and get it closed. So there is no issue in getting the funds and making payments, all fine. But you just think his salary is only 1.5 lakhs, but the usage of the credit card is 5 times of his salary. So obviously the department will get a question, how come this guy is not filed return, right? But now you tell me how it is possible to explain to the department saying that, boss, my income is only 1.5 lakhs, but I have credit card is 7 lakhs. Yes, sir, I gave to my friends, my friends only used it. But if you say to this government department, do you think they will believe? It is very difficult to prove those transactions to the department. Let's say your fund is used your card maybe before 1 year. Is it possible to go and ask him about the details? He will forget, we will forget, everything is done. So what I am trying to tell you in this video is never ever use a credit card for others. You have your credit card, please use for yourself only. Of course, we will be using for our friends. Sometimes 1 or 2 times is fine, but don't make it as a habit. When I asked that guy why you were using this type of things regularly, he said two answers for me. One, my credit card usage limit will increase. Second, my CIBIL will increase. Yes, what you said is right, but how come you are going to answer to the department? And this will be considered as utmost financial indiscipline, because obviously you will be continuously used to your card. So whether if the card is there, obviously we will start using it, right? So if you are at early stage, just now got your employment, you are working 24/30s are there, so it is very important for you to decide when to use a credit card. So please never ever use your credit card in this type of way. Don't give to your friends, use only for yourself. So please be careful while using your credit cards. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and definitely you please share to your friends who is having credit cards. For regular updates, please join our Telegram channel too. The link is given in the description. We'll catch up in next video. Till then, Karthik signing off from TaxProm. Thank you.